Y'all ready? Oh yeah. Guys, I literally can't believe I'm here making this video right now, but I'm actually making it. I'm about to go get my hair cut right now. The Z is back home. It has yet to start up, but it is done. Like I think we got the issue figured out now. We're about to go figure that out after I get my hair cut. But the Z is back. I'm about to see the turbo kit, everything for the first time. Your boy's hyped as hell. Got the new plate right there waiting to go. And we're gonna knock this haircut out and get on headed over to the car. All right, here we go, everybody. We're leaving the haircut and we are heading to the goddamn Z, baby. What is happening? I'm about to call Monzip real quick. Let me get this dirt off. I'm trying to do 72 things at once.
Hello, this is Monzip at Hackett.
There that rat bastard is. Yo.
Hey.
I'm on my way there right now. If this car starts tonight, dude, you're flying out next weekend and we're doing Molly while we're tuning it.
God. Alright, well, let me know what the ECU part number is and do all that shit that we talked about.
Alright, I'll be there in like 20 minutes and then I'll shoot it over. Yo, here's that new crazy electric Audi. I forgot what it's called, but this thing looks nuts. Dude, that looks sick as fuck. Dude, that thing is dope. For real, look at that shit. I'm gonna have to cop me that. Moment of truth. Oh, baby girl. I ain't seen you in a minute, honey. Let's see how fucking sweet this kit looks. Oh yeah, what's up, girl? What's up, baby? Oh wow, I forgot how good this car looks. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, the roof got messed up in transit on the way down to Miami. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's definitely still there. I'm probably gonna get a carbon fiber roof cap, but let's not worry about that right now. Let's worry about the kit. Exhaust looks crazy. Oh man. I am hyped about this. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so we got to the shop, we checked out the car. It looks like my Ecutech dongle cable thing got left in Miami. So I'm having Ray send that back. For the time being, while we couldn't mess with the tune because of that, because there's a new ECU in it and I had to get the ID number off of it. We went to get Harry, because we're gonna use Harry's dongle, which is in his Z in the garage. And so we can go get the tune ready for Monster to load onto it. And we got the V1 bumper in the back, and Harry's about to realize he's cuddling that thing all the way to Thomas's house. And then we're throwing it back just like the old days when he'd ride in the back of the hatch on the way to Gateway. So waiting for him, then we're heading out. Hey, Hair Bear, we're throwing it back to the old days, dude.
What's that?
You're riding in the back.
No.
You about to cuddle with the goddamn V1 bumper, brother. You heard
I'll show
me?
you real V1.
You. Go ahead, dude. Feast your eyes. Oh, actually, yeah, pop that right now. The lights on it. It's got the ills. Oh, look, there's old girl right there, brother. 2JZ, no shit. What's it feel like to be my son, brother?
You okay, buddy?
Come see what the old welds look like on her. I custom spec these from Weld, so we'll see how good I am with wheel specs.
That exhaust, boy.
What are your intentions with my daughter?
You okay, buddy?
Oh, fuck.
What? Would you guys believe me if I said this thing is faster than this? And this combined?
Yes, because you're right. All right, everybody. It's about to be the hottest Z on the planet, so I hope you guys are ready, because there's not one that looks better than this. Okay. Tuck perfect, because your boy's the wheel spec master. Did it tuck?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Stop playing with me. Boy, now there's a speck of goddamn wheel, boy.
Yo.
Oh my God, it looks perfect. I'm so good. I'm so good. Yo. You know, honestly, I'm just gonna have to ask you to stop fucking playing with me. All right, guys, well, here's a nice little video if you guys need at least to look at the car again since it's been so long. We got a lot of little tiny things we got to wrap up on this to get her to start, so we're going to probably knock those out tomorrow. We're going to call it a night here. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If this thing doesn't speak for itself, we got so much shit coming. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey, I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come go no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians they don't want to get this sparking. They go got them parking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds.